This is an example what I was telling. This is an example. If you have AB plus CD bar, AB connected here, CD connected here, plus means they are connected in parallel. If you put the dual network with PMOS, this is AB, one below the other. Here AB, one beside the other. CD, one below the other. CD, one beside the other, but with PMOS circuits. If this is the network, then it is whole complement. The equation will have whole complement if you are putting PMOS transistors, okay, with the dual network of NMOS transistors, whole complement, okay. So AND operation means one below the other, OR operation means one beside the other. This is an example. Now I am going to 2 by 1 multiplexer. I am going to 2 by 1 multiplexer. So two inputs D0, D1, one selection line is S. Output is nothing but when S equal to 0, D0 will come at the output. So D0 into S bar. S equal to 0 means S bar. And when S equal to 1, D1 will come at the output. So S into D1. This is the output equation for 2 by 1 mux. Output equation for 2 by 1 mux. The first term, this is AND operation. Second term, AND operation. And then we are making OR operation between them. So I will do the same. This is AND operation, one below the other, NMOS transistors, D0 and S bar as per the equation. First term is D0 and S bar. Second term is S into D1. Second term is S into D1. Again, that is AND operation. So I will put the two transistors one below the other. I will put the two transistors one below the other on the right side. If you see D1, yes, I am putting one below the other. And I am putting the structures in parallel. So this plus symbol will come. Plus symbol will come because I am putting them in parallel. And if I connect the PMOS transistors on the top, if I connect PMOS transistors on the top, then the whole equation will have whole bar. Whole equation will have bar in the diagram. And here if you see D0 S bar one below the other, I am putting D0 S bar one beside the other. And D1 S one below the other. So D1 S I am putting one beside the other. So this full structure will have S bar D0 plus S into D1 whole bar, because you are putting PMOS transistors in dual network of that NMOS transistors. Here opposite, one below the other means here you are putting one beside the other. Okay, same D0 and S bar. So this is the equation you are getting from this circuit diagram. But 2 by 1 multiplexer is whole complement is not there. So at the output side, I will put one more inverter. At the output side, I will put one more inverter. So this final equation will be output of 2 by 1 mux. Output of 2 by 1 mux. Okay. Here I am putting two transistors D0 and S bar. Here I am putting two transistors D1 and S. This is the S input. After inverting, I am giving it here. So it becomes S bar. Before inverter, I am giving it here, so it becomes S. Okay. And these four are NMOS transistors. I am putting the dual structure with PMOS transistors. Here one below the other NMOS, so I am putting one beside the other PMOS. Here one below the other NMOS, so I am putting PMOS one beside the other. Okay. And then whatever input D0 I am giving here, same input I am taking D0 here. Whatever input S bar I am giving here, the same input I am taking to this right side, this transistor. Now right side, this is D1 and S, D1 and S. So this is D1 and S, PMOS transistors, D1 and S. So this D1 I am taking input to this transistor, and here this input is S, this input is, if you correctly check it, it is S. If you correctly check, this is S. This is before inverter, this is S. Okay. So this input is S. This is D0. This is D1. This is VDD. Okay. Whatever output we are getting, that is with whole complement. To remove that complement, I am putting one inverter. So the final equation will be 2 by 1 mux output. Final equation will be 2 by 1 mux output. Now I will go with the design in LT Spice.